Hello everyone, I am here with the new project that is my another website, which is one news website basically, where I'll be getting live news updates, or we can say top headlines or breaking news. I have built this website with the help of Django web framework. Django is one of the web framework of Python programming. So whatever would be the backend part of my website, that I'm handling by Django. And if I talk about front end part, front end means whatever will be appearing into the web browser in a form of web pages, that I'm handling with the help of Bootstrap. So it was my front end or back end part. The main thing which needs to be focused on, how I'm getting the live updates of news into my website, how I'm getting this live news data into my website. This is the key thing where we need to focus in this project. So I will introduce one website, that is newsapi.org, by which I'm getting the live news update into my website. So I will open my browser first of all to show you how it looks like. Okay, newsapi.org. You can simply come up to this website to create your account. It provides you an API key by which you will be able to get the JSON data into your Python code or Django code. JSON data is as similar as Python dictionary, but it is not Python dictionary. It looks like a Python dictionary, but it is not. Okay, now the question is how I will be able to get this data into my Django code or Python code. So there is one module, request module, I'm using, by which I'm able to get this data into my code. And once I get it, still there is a problem because I cannot parse it. This is not a Python dictionary which I can parse. Okay, so there is one inbuilt module of Python, that is JSON module, by which I'll be able to convert this JSON data into Python dictionary. And once I convert it into Python dictionary, then I'll be able to easily get this data into my website, or you can say parse this data into my website. So this is how I'm getting the live news updates into my website. Okay, so I will open my Django server now to show you how my website looks like. I will open my terminal. First of all, I will get into the directory where my Django Django project is located. Okay, so cd Django framework /news. Now I will type one path, python manage.py run server. It will start up my Django server. It takes some time, so please wait for a while. Just wait. It's taking time. Here we go. So there is one localhost server link. Once I click on it, it will direct me into the web browser where I'll be able to see my news website. Okay, so I will click here to show you how my website looks like. I will maximize it. This is how my website looks like, guys. This is really amazing. I'm getting live news here, so it is very crystal clear. There is one navigation bar, the Nitin Journal, my website name is, which has several endpoints like BBC News, The Hindu, Times of India, Business India, Tech News, Sports News. So if I click on BBC News, so I'm getting top 5 headlines which are published by BBC News right now. Okay, and suppose one new news will be updated by BBC News, so that new news will be hitting at the headline number 1, and the 5th one will disappear, 4th will take the place of 5th one. So this is how my news will be updated throughout the day. Okay, and it is as similar as for the rest of the endpoints. Okay, so this is my website, and if somebody wants to know how I coded it, and if somebody is looking to learn Python, so you can simply visit to my GitHub account, that is github.com/codewithnitin, where you will be able to see my repository Python course, which covers almost all the fundamentals of Python, so you can easily learn it. And if I talk about this website, so you can visit to my different repository there, that is news app hyphen Django. I will open my GitHub account to show you my GitHub profile. GitHub code with Nitin. This is my GitHub profile, okay, and you can simply visit to my repository section. There is one repository, news app hyphen Django. This is private as of now, so you won't be able to see the code. No problem, I will make it public for you. Just a minute. I will go to the settings. Just wait for a while. It is taking time. Just wait. I think I'm getting some problem right now from the server of GitHub. No problem, I will make it public for you. So once you come to my website, you will be able to see this repository as a public one. You will be able to see the code. Okay, so that's all guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time with the new project. Thank you.